Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. So cantik rancak bana. Ready? Cheers. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, apa kabar everybody? And I have a special guest here. And it's Bule. And she's from here in Padang. And we are going, and she wanted to challenge me, guys. She wanted to challenge me to eat 100 satay. So today we are going to do exactly that. And so what are we going to do?
We're going to eat satay. I'm going to challenge him to eat 100 satay.
I don't know, guys. We'll see how it goes. But I think that she might beat me. But I'm not going to let her beat me.
Oh, I will beat you. I can eat 200 satay.
Oh, 200 satay.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right.
Yeah.
So we are here in Padang. She is actually from Padang, guys. So let's go eat some satay Padang, and I'm gonna beat her, and
No, I will
she's gonna
beat
lose.
you.
All right, let's go. Let's see. All right, let's go. Ayo pergi, Bule. This is my special guest on the journey.
Yeah.
Wait, where's your bike at? What are you doing?
Yeah, we need to get a bike first, guys.
Yes, we need to get a bike, so she can drive me. Cause I guess I'm the passenger princess.
I am the driver.
She's the driver, and I'm the passenger princess. Cause she can drive better than me, and I don't know where we're going. This is it, right?
Yeah. No,
Dimana?
that is mine.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. So I'm the passenger princess, and this is Mulid.
Yeah,
She's
I'm
driving,
the driver.
cause she's a lot better than me at driving a motorbike. And so this is Toplao. This is Toplao, the beach area here in Padang. So I'm so hungry, and the satay, I'm absolutely gonna beat Mulid at beating 100 satay. Hey, apa kabar? Udah. Let's go. Ayo pergi. Udah. So Mulid, she cantik sekali.
Hi guys.
Apa kabar? Hey, apa kabar? Focus on the road. People are so friendly here in Padang, everybody. It's right there. Alright guys, we're coming. Yeah, the sana. Alright, let's go get this satay. Oh, alright guys, we're getting to the satay place.
Yeah. Oh,
It's the sana. Yeah, the sana.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Hopefully he has enough.
Oh.
So let's start with let's begin with 20 and 20 and let's see how it goes. Ooh. Alright, here we are, guys. We're here. We're here where I'm gonna beat Mulid at satay.
No, I will beat you.
The challenge to get 100 satay 8 for both of us. The first one to 100 satay wins. Hello, apa kabar? Apa kabar? Halo. Halo, apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Nama saya Austin. Saya kembali di sini.
Ya.
Kamu siapa namamu?
Budi.
Moody. We got Moody here, the best satay Padang guy in the world. Hello, apa kabar? Saya mau 20 satay saya. 20 satay. Her. Yeah, let's go. Ayo pergi.
20, right? 20,
Huh?
20.
Yeah, we will begin with 20 and 20.
20 Pak. 20. Itu ya siapa satenya?
Sate itu 20 buah.
Ya.
Yeah. And so berapa harga 2020?
50.
40. Lima what?
50.
Jadi berarti kalau satunya 50.
Oh, 150 Pak.
Berarti 101. Harganya kan 20, satenya 20.
Oh, gitu.
Satenya 20, harganya 50. Kalau dua berarti 100.
Oh, 20 you can pay for 50, and if you buy 40 you can pay 100.
Oh, so 50.
Yeah.
All right, let's do 50. Yeah, 50. Let's go. Yeah, let's begin with 50.
Satenya 20 kan?
Ya 20 Pak.
Let's go. Ayo, thanks. Makasih, Moody.
Yo.
So check this out, guys. And so check this. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. So cantik rancak bana. So rancak bana. So Moody, so berapa kamu kerja di sini?
Apa? What?
So as Moody, so kamu berapa kerja di sini?
Berapa lama Pak kerja?
Tahu sini
Oh, berapa
baru
lama?
12 tahun.
Oh,
12 tahun.
Oh,
My God. He's been here for 21 years.
No,
12 years.
Yeah.
Whoa, he's been doing this for 12 years, guys. How insane is that? So first we're gonna start with 50 and then see who beats each other.
No, I will be the winner, guys.
No,
I will be the winner.
I'm
I
hungry.
will be the winner. And
All right,
I'm
let's see.
starving.
Ah, she's starving. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Hello, apa kabar?
Bye.
Alright guys, so we have the first plate here,
Yeah.
which is berapa satay?
20.
20?
Yeah.
Alright, so here is 20 satay, so let's see. Oh, and then, oh, another 20. Let's see here. Alright, so I got
Okay,
20
I will be the winner.
and Mulid has 20, so let's put the timer up here and I'm gonna try to beat her.
No, I will
So
be
let's
the
go.
winner.
Let's see how this goes.
I will be the winner.
Ready? Cheers. Alright, let's go. Good? Oh yeah.
This is good.
Alright guys, so I got one. So this is incredible. It's got the gravy. Yes, so it's got the gravy. It's like a reddish gravy. So it's really good. What do you think about it?
This is good.
It's
And
good?
so delicious.
You're like, oh, awesome. You take me to a good one. That took you to a good one. Alright,
And
so
you know, guys, he told me about this. I don't know about this place.
cause I'm a local.
I'm the Bule. I'm
Alright,
the
so
Bule. Saya dari Amerika.
saya dari Amerika, aku dari Amerika, ambo dari Amerika. Semudi. So kamu berapa
Ayo, ayo.
jam? So kamu
Buka ya, Pak?
buka.
Dari jam 4 sampai jam 11.
4 sore sampai jam 11.
Very good, very good. So he begins here at 4 o'clock and then goes home when?
11.
Oh, 11. Incredible. Alright. Alright, so I got 3 down. How
Me
how
too.
much do you have?
Me too.
Oh man.
I said I will be the winner.
Guys, this is so good though because yeah, the gravy here is like amazing on top of this Sate Padang. Absolutely incredible. Semudi. Selamat bana Mudi. Selamat bana.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Good. Angge.
Ange. No, get. Ange.
Angge.
Nge.
Sangmange. Samanga. Boy, this is incredible. Like the gravy on this.
Yeah, guys.
Lemak
this
bana.
enak.
Enak sekali. Selamat
Enak.
bana.
Not enak, but enak.
Enak.
That's right.
This is spicy padas.
Yeah. A little bit.
It's not spicy for me because I'm udah bule. I'm
This is
udah
local.
bule.
Oh, I'm the Bule. The Bule.
So how many times do you eat like satay padang? Satay padang.
So many times.
So many times.
Yeah, I can't even count it.
So when was the last time you ate it?
Last week.
So last week. All right.
This is so good.
This is incredible.
So delicious, so tasty, so
So
yummy.
tasty, so yummy. So lemak bana, enak bana, enak banget,
Enak.
enak banget,
Enak. Enak banget.
enak banget,
No enak, but enak.
enak banget. Yes. Nek.
No, ne.
Enak banget. How many have you ate already?
I don't know, I don't count it. I can't count it anymore. Okay.
I'm at I think it's 10. So check out the sauce, right? I showed you guys up there, but it's incredible. And it's spicy. It's like gray, spicy, and awesome, guys. Incredible. Incredible. You see, this is her, this is mine, and I'm winning. I'm winning.
No, I'm the winner. I'm done.
You're not done yet.
I'm the winner.
Yeah, you got a lot more. I've got a lot more.
No, I'm done.
It's so spicy.
You said that it's
Padas,
not that
padas.
spicy.
Well, it's getting spicy. You know,
It's not spicy.
you're so like soft and tender. Freaking chef's kiss. Amazing.
Ooh. Look, I can show you the trick.
Alright, show me the local trick.
This is not a local trick.
Alright, what are you doing?
I will sulap. Do you know sulap?
No.
What it is in English? I forgot.
What are you doing?
Just look at it.
What are you doing? What's going on? What are you
Look
doing?
at it.
You making some origami? What are you doing? What are you doing? This is my favorite weird chick. My favorite weird chick right here. What just happened? Yo, that's crazy. Guys, she ripped the entire thing and now is all the way back. Yo, that's like a magic trick. How would you
I'm a
even do that?
magician. I'm a magician. I told you.
You just put it back together. Yo, did you guys see that? She ripped it in every piece, but now it's back together. Like how?
I will not tell you.
Yo, that is crazy. How would you do that?
I'm a magician. I'm a magician. Magician do not tell the truth.
Yo, she's talented, but has not talented enough because I've been eating this while she's playing. So I gotta win.
I will be the winner. Just eat yours. If I eat yours, and then I'll be the winner.
You wanna help? I'm trying to think how being strategic. Okay, you're trying to be strategic and eat both. Okay, got you.
Guys, kita akan menjadi pemenangnya. Sayalah pemenang. I'll be the winner.
Now you can't be. Oh my god. So now she's eating 2 at a time. I gotta eat 2 at a time. Alright, so 2 at a time.
Look, what is that? Look.
Oh, you. Oh, she's trying to cheat everybody. She's trying to cheat. Oh, so look over.
I'm not gonna drink.
Oh, damn, you only got
I don't
a little
want
bit
to
more. Oh, she's ahead right now. She's beating me.
I will be the winner. You can see it. I'm the winner.
Gotta pull ahead. Alright. Yo, guys, this is actually very spicy though.
Not very spicy though.
Hah?
Ah!
No! So I think we're once this is done, then we have 8. That's 25 each. Crazy. No. I'm on the last 2. Pow.
Okay, we both the winner.
Pow, pow.
I'm done, guys. I'm not lying.
She
I'm
beat
not
me.
cheating.
She
I'm
beat
the
me
winner.
already. She beat me. So let's get the next plate.
Oh.
25 and 25 and do it again.
Okay.
So let's do another one, 25 and 25, and see how that goes and see if she can beat me. If she can.
I can beat you for this one.
Alright,
So,
you won the
next
battle,
one-
but not the war.
The next one, I will be I still be the winner. Okay.
Nah.
Okay, I'm done. I'm
Yeah.
the winner.
No,
You're a
no,
loser.
we're not done yet. I'm not done yet.
I'm done.
We're not done yet.
I'm done.
Hold on, wait a minute. I see.
No, I'm done. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. No, you don't eat that one.
Oh, let's count. Alright, let's count. So, This is 3, 4,
Look at this,
15,
guys. I'm
16,
the winner.
17, 18, 19, 20.
20. You're 20.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 21. I'm 21.
21. Ah. Alright, Mulid won, guys. Alright, but I think I'm full though. 21 of those, and I'm full. But you won. That's, man, I'm angry. We gotta do the next challenge.
I always beat you in everything.
No, you can't beat me at everything.
Yeah.
Alright, so next we gotta do the Randang challenge. And I know for sure I'm gonna be at the Randang challenge.
I always be the winner, guys.
Alright.
I always be the winner.
So what's the most like Sate Padang that you ate at one time?
One time? What?
At one time, what is the most Sate Padang that you have ate? 100?
Oh no, it's just like 10. It's like them, but I can eat 500.
No, you can't. You can't.
I can.
Alright,
I
you ate 21 just now and I ate 21. So Malid won the challenge. She beat me, but she's from Padang. But the next challenge, guys, I have to eat the mee gochujang, the spiciest noodles in the world, in the Randang. I have to eat even more Randang than her. So, and I know I can definitely do that because I'm the Randang snob.
Let's see.
Alright guys, so she beat me, so now I've got to go pay and do the walk of shame. Alright, let's go. Alright. I think it was 40 ya.
No, it's 100.
Yeah, 100 for 40 or 50.
Yeah.
Thanks, makasih Budi. Terima kasih, brother. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and we're gonna try the different challenges here, and I will see you guys in the next one. We will see you guys in the next one where I beat her in the other challenges. It's gonna be fun, but the Randang, I could definitely beat you at that. All right,
Let's
so
see.
let's see. Lihat. All right, guys. So see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and ayo pergi gaspol.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.